Hey guys, today I'm super excited to show you Lumary, the incredible new wall lights that you can use to add a touch of flair and style to any room in your home. With Lumary, you can choose from a wide variety of beautiful colors and styles to give your room a stylish and romantic atmosphere. With both the string lights and the ceiling lights, you can pick the designs that's right for you, customize different rooms and outdoor spaces, and decorate your home like never before with this incredible product. You can purchase your very own Lumary set today using the link on the screen or in the description, so let's take a closer look. When you first unbox your Lumary string lights, your product will come on a stylish black cord to plug the lights into a power outlet. Lumary has over 16 million different kind of colors and dazzling multi-theme dynamic effects that you can explore. And by connecting the product to your phone through the Lumary app, you can customize what colors you want the lights to display, how many lights you want to be on or off, as well as how the colors move and change. Start by opening the app and allow Bluetooth access. After that, hit Add Device and allow location permissions so the app can locate your nearby device. And then once you've synced your lights, use the color wheel to set the colors of your lights as you like. The brightness is also fully customized from 1 to 100%, so you can choose how intense you want the light to be. And you'll also get the option to select which bulbs you want on and off, as well as the different colors and brightness you want each bulb to display. Pick patterns like blinking, waves, and so many other fun varieties to keep you entertained for hours. And with endless combinations of colors and animations, you can customize lighting in any room to your liking and add a personal touch to your home. Lumary is even compatible with tons of home assistant software products like Amazon Alexa, Google Home Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, so you can turn your light on with a simple voice command. If you play music or even make a rhythm by tapping on a hard surface, you can even set the lights to animate effects to the sound rhythm, making it a super fun setting for parties. You'll also get the option to play games with different light patterns and colors as well, and with so many colors and styles to try, you'll have a blast creating the perfect atmosphere in any room you like. With the string light's waterproof and durable design, you can install the product in any location you like, both indoors and outdoors, without having to worry about damage from rain or wind. In addition to this, the status of one bulb does not affect the others, so even if one bulb is broken, the others will remain completely functional. Deck out your patio with beautiful colors for awesome outdoor parties with full confidence that your product will be safe and functional at all times. The app also provides users with real-time updates about synced products in the home, so you'll know the status of all your Lumary products no matter where you go. From home office decor to outdoor patio lighting, Lumary adds the perfect touch to any room that you could think of, and in addition to this, the app also allows you to set a schedule from when you want the lights on and off, or you can even set them to turn on during customized conditions, like if the temperature reaches a certain point or if there's a particular sound or motion in the vicinity. So you can turn on all your lights with simply clapping your hands or even using a code word. So no matter what your preferences are, the app gives you complete control over how your home is lit and decorated, so you can run it however you want. They're unique and incredibly handy, so Lumary has something for everyone and is bound to make all your lighting and decor needs so much easier. Finally, in addition to Lumary string lights, you can also get the lights to install on the ceiling, which will provide enhanced atmospheres to your kitchen, living room, bedroom, and any room that you want in your house. These lights come with compatible wires, plugs, as well as complete instructions on how to install them within your ceiling, and also they're fully compatible with the Lumary app and Home Assistant devices, so you'll get the same customization and design effects as the string lights, so you can set your lighting to whatever works best for your needs. These lights can also be installed in any room in your house, whether it's your bedroom, the kitchen, or even a hallway. Choose bright and fun colors for a party atmosphere or soft, cool colors for relaxation. And the ceiling lights also have preset themes like atmospheric ones for the ocean, grasslands, or even just simple reading lights, so you can get your day-to-day tasks done or be transported to another environment if you'd like. You'll even get the option to edit these themes or even create your own, choosing from a full selection of colors and brightness. So whether it's for functional needs or experimenting with creating new environments, Lumary has a theme for everyone. So enhance your home, try out endless combinations of hues and themes, and add a bit of personal expression to your home while having tons of fun along the way. With so many ways to customize your lighting preferences, Lumary string and ceiling lights are the perfect tools to decorate every room you need. They're convenient, creative, and perfectly designed to create whatever atmosphere and style you wish. Your light set is sure to completely revolutionize your home's lighting in the best way possible. Have fun experimenting with tons of customizable features and decorate your home to perfection like never before with these incredible products. And be sure to use the discount code in the description and order your Lumary sets today using the link below. Enjoy your lights.